This is a cowl I made using the petal stitch, also known as the lotus stitch. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. Start diving into the pattern. So I am going to make a foundation chain multiple of 6 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to make it 2 more chains. Now on the second chain from hook, I'm going to make a single crochet and single crochet all across. We have 19 single crochet. Now I'm going to turn the work. I wanted to make a double crochet in this edge. Instead of making one chain 3, I'm going to insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, and make a single crochet. Then again I'm going to insert the hook in that single crochet, bring up a loop, and make another single crochet on top. Now it is tall enough. Now I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches, and on the third stitch I'm going to do 1 puff stitch. So yarn over hook, insert the hook, and bring up a loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook. Do it one more time. Yarn over, insert, bring up a loop. Yarn one more time. Yarn over, insert, bring up a loop. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to yarn over, go through the 6 loops on the hook. Now again I have 2 loops remaining on the hook. So yarn over and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Then I am going to make chain 2. Again I am going to make 1 more puff stitch in the same stitch. Now again chain 2, then make 1 more stitch, puff stitch in the same stitch. Looks like this. Now I am going to skip the next 2 stitches and going to make a double crochet in the next one. Looks like this. Now again I am going to skip 2 and make that puff stitch cluster. I like to call it lotus stitch or petal stitch. Chain 2, one more puff stitch. Now skip 2 stitches and make a double crochet in the next one. Skip 2. Next is the lotus stitch or the petal stitch. Chain 2, 1 more puff stitch. chain 2 and one more puff stitch. Then the skip next 2, and in the last one we are going to make a double crochet. Now we are going into the next row. We are going to start single crochet, 1 single crochet, and we are stacking one more on top of that. Then chain 2. We are going to skip this puff stitch and the chain 2, and we are going to make a double crochet here. Then we are going to skip this chain 2 and this puff stitch. I'm going to make a petal stitch in here, or the lotus stitch. We are not going to stitch in here or in here, but in, you can see this one. Chain 2, one more puff stitch in the same space. Now again we are going skipping this puff stitch and the chain 2, and on this puff stitch we are going to make a double crochet. Then we are going to make another puff stitch on top of that double crochet here, skipping this chain 2 and the puff stitch, and we are moving here. And double crochet. No, not double crochet. This is the double crochet, so we are going to make a puff stitch on top of this double crochet here, and creating a petal stitch there, or the lotus stitch. So first start with the puff stitch, then chain 2, another puff stitch in the same space, chain 2, now that 3 petals are completed, we are going to skip the puff stitch and the chain 2, and we are making 1 double crochet on top of that second puff stitch of the lotus. Then chain 2, and we make a double crochet on top of the double crochet in the end. Now repeat this pattern. Again we are repeating this row 1 and row 2 to create this beautiful pattern.